Hello again, and thank you for joining me in this video. In this section, I'm going to show you my recommended take profit and stop loss position for this system in order to close more trade, day trading. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First, I would like to start with the currency pairs to trade with. I have discovered this system is highly lucrative and profitable in GBP currency pair because you could trade effectively on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see from this point, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you my live trade. I opened today and yesterday using this system and the result I got from them. Okay, so this system is highly lucrative in gold pairs, okay, and GBP pairs. You may want to say, how about the most popular EURUSD? The system is more profitable on the EURUSD when you trade on a higher time frame, okay, such as the 1 hour time frame, okay, and by then you would not be able to make more profit compared to those who trade with the GBP pairs and the gold pair. Okay, that's why I highly recommend you trading on gold pair and GBP pairs. But if you must trade on euro pair, such as the EURUSD or euro card, USSD or euro card, euro Aussie dollar, I would recommend you trading on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, gold pair, it's highly recommended you trade on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, it's because it's more volatile, you make more profit, you close more trades and open more during the day, up to 2 or 3 per day, because the gold currency pair is very lucrative. You can see this up to 5,000 points, which is about 500 pips, just within using the 5 minutes time frame when trading on gold pair. Okay, with this system. Okay, this will enable you to minimize your risk and maximize profit. Okay, and on the GBP pairs, you use it on 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Use it on the 15 minute time frame. You can see this is a point here. We entered. If we follow the signal, you see this is our signal here. This is our signal here. Both the 12 and the 4 EMA is below the 200 moving average, and you can see the CCI indicator also below the -120. This is a short signal, and if we sell, that's a good thing about it. So now, where do you set your stop loss and take profit? Not all trade setup gives you a huge turnover. For starters, as a beginner, I recommend take profit of 100 pips on the gold, while you place your stop loss 50 pips. Okay, that's the ratio of 1 to 2. Take profit of 100 pips, while stop loss of 50 pips. Okay, let's take for instance, we take a buy trade at this point, and like I said, I recommended 50 pips. 50 pips would be thereabouts. Let me measure. 50 pips should be 500 points thereabout at this point. Okay, I hope you can do this. If you can, please chat me up. We'll discuss this in the comment section or in Q&A section. Okay, so then your take profit should be 100 pips. Where do we get 100 pips from? 100 pips take profit would be equivalent to 1,000 points. You can measure it from your order position, or you do it with your crosshair tool. Okay, this would be the position of 100 pips. Setting it here. Okay, this is our take profit. If we had opened our trade at this point, we'll take our profit here. So what happens after you take profit? So I recommend you checking 2-3 times per day when you take your profit, and it's still within the day, you still have an ample time, you can still open another trade. Okay, immediately when this profit, when we take profit at this point, you can see another trade setup is it's established, where the 4 EMA and the 12 EMA still above the 200 moving average, and you can see the CCI indicator right here is above the 120. Buy trade, set 100 pips, take profit as well. If you go, you'll be able to close about 2-3 consecutive trades. Alternatively, you could just open a trade and just set it on 100 pips take profit, trailing stop. 100 pips trail stop. What does this mean? If you set it on 100 pips trail stop, you'll be able to cover over 30,000 points. That's 300 pips. But you would get stopped out at this point. Basically, you would be able to close about 300 pips if you are able to pick the signal, if you enter at the right point of price change and you put on a trail stop of 100 pips, it should take up to 300 pips here. Should take up to 300 pips here. Okay, but listen, I strongly do not recommend this for new traders. Okay, just set a take profit and stop loss. 100 pips take profit and 50 pips stop loss. On the gold pair only, when trading the GBP, I recommend a 1-to-1 ratio for day trading. Okay, if it's a long term, you can go as far as 1-to-3. This system can give you up to 1-to-4, but I recommend for day trading, in order to close your trade before the end of the day, I recommend a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, which is 50 pips. Take for instance, at this point, we enter at this point, you can see where both the 12 and 4 EMA are below the 200 moving average. You set your, and at this point as well, you see the CCI is below the -120, so a sell signal is established, is set up at this position. See, when you open a trade, a short trade at this point, I recommend taking 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips gets to this point. With 50 pips, you'll be able to get to this point. Okay, take note, when opening a GBP USD pairs, I said 50 pips take profit and 50 pips trail stop, not stop loss. Okay, 50 pips trail stop. In this way, you'll be able to close more profit and minimize loss if peradventure the price move against our trade, which happens on rare occasions. Okay, this is the proper risk management principle I established for day trading. Okay, if you want to learn about intraday trading, I'll be happy to share with you the risk management principle I set for that as well. Okay, that will help you using the Mantige strategy to help you maximize and take more profit up to 1:4, 1:3. Okay, I have built an EA on that, which is not part of this course. Okay, so just maintain a 1-on-1 risk reward ratio when trading on the GBP pairs. Okay, and check your trade once or twice daily. You can open up to 2-3 simultaneously within a single day when you set it at this point. Okay, so that is all about it. Let me recap. On the GBP pairs, you trade for your day trading signal. You trade on the 15 minutes time frame between 8 to 3 p.m. in the morning, thereabout. Trading on the UK open hours, it's more profitable when you trade at this point. Maintain a 1-on-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, while you set your trail stop, you set a trail stop rather than your stop loss. But if you must do a 1-to-2 reward ratio, if you know that you can only set up a trade just once a day, you can do a 1-to risk reward ratio. Okay, then you can set it just like the gold USSD, 100 pips take profit and 50 pips stop loss. You can do the same here if you know you are only chance to set a trade just once in a day. So that's all about this section. In the next video, I'm going to be taking a live trade. I'm going to check the time on the internet, and I will stop the video and come at the end of the day to check the results, if we take profit or stop loss. Okay, that's the last section I'm going to do to further demonstrate the effectiveness of this trading system. I'll be taking a live trade, so you see the result of what I am trying to say, and I'm going to show you the time frame, and I'm going to show you the time on internet, and when I'm closing, I'll show you the time as well. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you